So our people are happy. Our special guest of honor, I have told everybody, campaign of any party, of any candidate, is not to say, if you vote for us, we will do this. While you are empowered, they will ask you, what have you done? Let Rivers people ask PDP in Rivers State. No, everybody has to give account of himself. I will not go and give account of another state. Ask PDP in Rivers State, what have you done for the people of the state? This is our campaign. This is our campaign. So when people come and ask you to vote for them, ask them, the one you went, what happened? The one you went, what happened? As a minister in this state, and I challenge anybody, when I was a minister of state in this state, I can tell you numerous projects I brought in this state. That's what they call having your people in mind. University of Port Harcourt has never had faculty of law. Since its establishment in the early 80s, it was me that brought faculty of law in University of Port Harcourt today when I was the minister. Rivers State University has never had a medical school, yet it has a law faculty, a science and technology university. It is me today that brought medical school in Rivers State University. As a minister of state, I made sure Kenule Polytechnic, Ignatius Azure University, all of them had grants of not less than ₦1 billion. Oh, go and see all the I brought oil and gas polytechnics in Bonny. As a minister, ask your own, what did they bring? Operation Show Your Report card. Operation Show Your Report card. So, all of us must be alive. We must be vigilant to see what you've done for your people. For me, my politics is, if you love me, I love you. If you fall for me, I fall for you. If you hate me,
if you love me, I go love you. Say, if you need me, I go need you. Now so you be you.
What that means is that if you love Rivers State will love you. If you fall for Rivers State will fall for you. But if you hate Rivers State will hate you. It doesn't matter any amount of blackmail you bring. Like the chairman of council said, it's unfortunate. This local government alone, which I come from, Obiabo local government, we registered not less than 600,000 voters. This local government beat two states in their registration strength. So we're not a state you can take us for granted. We're not to talk about the local government where I come from. You want to joke with a vote of 600,000 registered voters in the local government, not to talk about the state. Joke with us and bury yourself.
As he dey pain them, he dey see with us. As he dey see with us, he go dey pain them.
So it is not about this one and that. No, our own is practical. If you say we don't exist, we'll tell you don't exist. So that is how it is. I'm not a son to anybody. I'm a son of Rivers State. And I'll do what interests Rivers State and what will benefit this state. We have collapsed all other parties. Every day, I'm sorry to say it, people from APC coming to our party. We are here, bringing them. Some people in Abuja ask them how many people have they brought to party. It's not to say I'm supporting our candidate. How many people have you brought to help your candidate in Abuja? We are here every day, bringing in people to enter our party. And you are there in Abuja. following your candidate from here to Adamawa, for Adamawa, is it where you win the vote? Come back home. Come back home.
Operation show your report card. We get the combo. Show your report card. We get the combo.
So some people say, oh, they have known the candidates since 1993. I don't want to know the candidates since 1993. I don't want. All I need to do is the candidates should know I have what it takes. You show, not knowing him, show him that you have what it takes for the candidate to win an election. If you know somebody and you can't give him anything, does it make sense? I better don't know the person. Me, I don't want to know anybody, but they must know us here. Because we know we have something, they will come and know us. I'm not going to go and find anybody. You must come. Can't take 600,000 votes from my local government away. You can't take 3.2 million votes or even state like that. It doesn't work that way. Are we for a Christmas? Are we for a Christmas? Even if we were for a Christmas before, we won't be for a Christmas again. You must tell me what is there for our vote. So nobody should bother yourself. At the appropriate time, we'll talk to our people and our people will understand us. Won't you understand? Won't you understand? When you speak to your people will understand. When you give your people a sign, they will understand. It's not correct.